Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Alright, first target. Jumpy penny. Drops down to miscellaneous tab. Let's get it. Two inches right here. Moving it. Man, not even getting close. Okay, what's a coin spill? Let me get this. What's it called? Dime. Shake, shake, shake. Let's see what we got. Penny, or 2 pennies and a nickel into the pouch. Alright, I have a solid quarter signal. Let's get it. Shing! So about 2 inches right here, center of the coil. I took way too big of a bite out of that. There it is. 1/4 into the pouch. Alright, I have a foil signal. 10-11. Let's get it. Saying it's pretty shallow. What the heck is that? Did you see that? Butter knife. Into the pouch. Alright, I got some foil 07. Let's get it. 3 inches right here. See a Capri Sun straw wrapper, so that can't be good. Shake, shake. Oh, there it is. Juice foil into the pouch. Surface find into the pouch. Alright, I have a tab miscellaneous signal. Oh, it's in the pennies now. Now that is a big target. Let's get it. Oh, it's saying 0 right there, right on the surface. Oh, I heard something. It's a beer can. Possibly beer cans. Bud Light into the pouch. I have a solid quarter signal. Where's it at? There we go. Solid 83. Two inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. 1/4 into the pouch. Alright, I have a dime signal. Where'd you go? There we are. About 4 inches here. Oh, there it is. 1 dime into the pouch. Alright, I just left the dry sand. I'm in the transition sand, making my way down towards the water. You can see I'm all chattery. Let's clear it up. I'm going to push the track button until it says tracking, pump. The book says 6 to 12 times. No more chatter. And just to show you that it's still on, I'm going to touch the coil to the wet sand. See it? Alright, I have a quarter signal. Let's get it. About an inch right here. There it is. Screw it, I'm going to pick it up like this. That's what I got a long handle for. 1/4 into the pouch. See if there's anything else. Another 1/4. I just flung it all out. Shake, shake, shake. There's no shaking that. And yes, another 1/4 into the pouch. Alright, I have a 04 gold signal. Experience tells me that's going to be a small piece of foil. I've never dug anything that was good. 04. About 3.5 inches right there. Shake, shake, shake. And I see something colorful in there. And it is foil. I don't know if that's too, maybe beef jerky or something. Fruit jerky, dried fruit, into the pouch. Fruit jerky, who says that? Alright, I have a nickel signal, solid 25. Let's get it. $25, that could be anything. Nickel, pull tab. Man, I was going over it. I tell you. Going from the plastic scoop, or coming from the plastic scoop to this thing, it's a little bit of a learning curve. Into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap-up. As you can see, I had a really good time at the beach. I found 7 quarters, 3 dimes, a nickel, and a bunch of pennies. Also found some of the usual trash. Got a tent peg, a piece of wire, and a first for me, a butter knife.
If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.